Good morning to everybody. The Balinesian villa life. That's why you sleep in your swim pants. Because you get up and you do this. Isn't that the life? So today I wanted to show you guys what a typical day here in the villa in Bali is for us. It's still early morning, it's a beautiful day. First things first, off to the market for some shopping. So let's go. At the market. So what do I buy at the market? Usually fresh meat and vegetables. Here in Bali there's not really a big city or Tesco where you can get fresh products. So if you want fish or meat, you have to come to the market early morning, because I think they close about at 10, but then there's nothing left. Let's go show you. $35. Alright. Okay. Fillet, yeah. So, as with most of Asia, cash is king, so you can't drive past the ATM without getting some cash, especially if you have to pay a landlord about 10 times more than the maximum amount that you can draw from the ATM. So you have to go to the ATM 10 times to pay the monthly rent. So that's what we're going to do next. Cheers! Okay, back from the market after going to the ATM. I got about the one nice thing about that ATM is it's the only one I found that you can get 3 million rupiah, which is about 200 plus dollars. And the other ones are usually much less than that, and it's quite important to get as much money as possible, because the bank I have, they charge a flat rate on a cash withdrawal. Anyway, let's start with the most important thing for the day. Breakfast. Your body can't function if you don't have fuel. Let me show you guys. Nice fillet tunas. It's going to put some lime on it, and this sweet and sour sauce and a bit of salt. And then it's good to go. With a nice breakfast, eggs and tomato as well. So let's go.
It looks perfect. Excellent.
Oh, thank you.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. That was it for our workout session. Even in a small villa pool like this, you can still get tired and do quite a good workout. You just must do a lot of laps. And the ladies went off for shopping afterwards. What? You can see the ladies went shopping just as about to say, listen, we had a hard workout, and after the workout the ladies went shopping and they gave me some time to do some work, but they're back. And you can see the excitement. After shopping, the ladies are super worked up.
Your wife are really mad at you because you forgot to put your credit card in your wallet.
There's no credit card in the wallet.
Oh, yeah. So we've lost it.
Yeah, ek het nie so nie. Ek wil nie eers.
I went to draw money this morning. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Yeah. We can go and ask them quickly. Right, now it's time for some beach time. So off to the beach we go. Do we know which beach? Where are we going?
Sanur beach.
Sanur. Oh, luckily they only have one beach, so let's go.
Sanur beach.
Thanks, bye-bye. That's the cleaning ladies. So it's absolutely amazing to stay in a villa. Cleaning ladies, pool boys, garden boys, and mansions. Swimming pools, big huge rooms, double beds, and those beds, I don't even think it's a king size. It's probably a bit bigger than a king size. So life in a villa, it's an absolute feast.
One more time. Harder. Yay! Thank you so much, Megan. And your turn.
Part of the day is supper, so I got I didn't show on the video, but I got a nice piece of red meat. And I usually don't do red meat because every red meat you buy here is fillet. It's always fillet, but it never tastes like fillet. It never tastes like rump steak. It never tastes like sirloin. It's just, I don't know, it tastes weird. But I thought today, okay, you know, maybe it's my lucky day to market, maybe the odds are for me. So I decided to get some fillet. You can see it's quite a big piece. Fresh from the market. I believe it's beef. If it's not, we will tell you. I've prepared him the whole night for this moment. There you go. So we found this rendang sauce, which we're gonna put on the steak. 2 minutes each side, and that's it. And a bit of salt, obviously. Alright, it's time to check this out. About 3 minutes on both sides. It's a big piece, and fire probably wasn't as good as it should have been, but there you go. One big piece of meat. Do you have a fork from the man? Oh, here you go. So let's try it out. Let's see how it was prepared. Medium rare as ordered. Let's taste it. Definitely not fillet. I doubt if it is beef at all. I don't know what it is, but I'll take it. I haven't had a proper steak in more than a year, so I'll take it. I'll take it.
And this one I break in two. It's impossible to chew.
Is it a bit tough?
So it's chewy and tough. So definitely not fillet. I doubt if it's rump steak. I don't know.
Nick! It just broke.
And that's Milani's secret recipe. What do you call it?
Zucchini.
Just say again.
Zucchini.
Something chini.
Zucchini.
Zucchini with all sorts of
Tomato,
cheese.
garlic, and some cheese. And Megan prepared it for us.
Alright, that's supper for tonight. After a terrible day, started off bad at the markets, a nice workout in the swimming pool, and now nice supper with some fake steak. Fake steak, there you go. So it's now the next day. I just got back from the bank, and guess what? I had the card. We are a happy family again. We can get some money and perhaps another fresh beer at the beach.